Hello, weather enthusiasts. Snow, rain, and strong winds are expected in the United Kingdom over the next 5 days. For more details, please watch this video in full. Also, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to stay updated. In the UK weather forecast details, it is still expected that an Atlantic low-pressure system, considered a frontal weather system, will affect the country. Tomorrow, Wednesday, December 27th, the sky will remain cloudy in most regions and cities of the UK, with rain expected across the entire country. The rainfall will be heavy in Northern Ireland, Scotland, Northern England, Southwest England and Wales, with precipitation reaching 20, 30, 40, 50, or even 60 millimeters in some areas. Caution is advised as these rains will be accompanied by strong winds ranging from 60 to 100 kilometers per hour. As mentioned earlier, cold polar air from the north will lead to heavy snowfall in most regions and cities of Scotland. Some snow is also expected in the northern and northwestern Isles and northern England. Snow accumulation during tomorrow may reach 20 to 50 centimeters in some Scottish areas, especially in the central inland regions, with cold weather and low temperatures dropping below freezing in the northern half of Scotland. Before concluding this weather bulletin, it's worth noting that you can find snow accumulation details for the next 5 days at the end of this video. The impact of the Atlantic low-pressure system and the cold polar air mass will persist during Thursday, December 28th. The sky will be mostly cloudy to partly cloudy in most areas, with continuous light to moderate rain in Northern Ireland, Wales, the Western Islands, and wide parts of England, especially in Northern England and most of Scotland, except the far north of Scotland, which may not experience rainfall. Some snowfall will also continue in the central inland regions of Scotland, and the weather will remain cold in the northern half of Scotland. Strong winds with speeds ranging from 55 to 75 kilometers per hour will persist in Northern Ireland, Wales, the Western Islands, the southern half of Scotland and England. On Friday, it is expected that some light rain will continue in scattered parts of the kingdom, with anticipated snow in some areas of the northern half of Scotland and northern England. Weak snow is also possible in some areas of Wales. There will be periods of dryness and atmospheric stability, with occasional clear skies in most regions. Dear viewers, anticipate a new Atlantic low-pressure system on Saturday, December 30th. Yes, next Saturday's weather will bring rain to most regions and cities of the kingdom. This rainfall will be heavy, reaching measurements of 20, 30, or 40 millimeters in Northern Ireland, Wales, Northern England, and the southern half of Scotland. Strong winds exceeding 60 kilometers per hour will persist with this rain throughout most areas of the kingdom. Additionally, snowfall is expected in Northern Ireland, Northern England, and most regions of Scotland. Some light snow may continue on Sunday, December 31st, in Northern England and parts of northern and southern Scotland. Weak rain may also remain continuous in Northern England and Wales. Weather conditions will stabilize in most other areas, but temperatures will significantly drop in most regions of the kingdom. And now, here is the snow accumulation for the next 5 days, between 30 and 80 centimeters in the following areas: Inverarray, Killin, Crieff, Pitlochry, Tindrum, Bridge of Balgie, Lochaway, Ballachulish, Fort William, Tarbert, Aberfeldy, Dalwhinnie, Kirkton of Glenisla, Clover, Braemar, Taffside, Ballater, Bankshire, Alford, Strathdon, Dufftown, Grantown-on-Spey, Aviemore, Tomatin, Kingussie, Fort Augustus, Tomich, Achnasheen. Between 10 and 40 centimeters in the following areas: Lofthouse, Hawes, Laban, Barnard Castle, Kirkby Stephen, Stanhope, Alston, Consett, Holtwhistle, Hexham, Bellingham, Kielder, Horsley, Keswick, Penrith, Ambleside, Sedberg, Shap, Settle, Langholm, Howick, Moffat, Galashiels, Armadale, Lanark, Glasgow, Cumnock, Carsfairn, Greenock, Stirling, Aberfoyle, Lochgilphead, Perth, Forfar, Aberdeen, Old Meldrum, Turriff, Buckie, Elgin, Inverness, Alness, Rosehall, Ullapool, Kinbrace, Thurso, Betty Hill, Kinlochbervie, Lochinver, Gairloch, Stromerferry, Oban, Tobermory, Baltersound, and Lerwick, and less than 10 centimetres in the following areas: Kirkwall, Bridlington, Scarborough, Whitby, Ripon, Northallerton, York, Leeds, Middlesbrough, Crook, Sunderland, Blyth, Alnwick, Berwick, Burnley, Manchester, Sheffield, Macclesfield, Preston, Liverpool, Lancaster, Kendal, Millom, Carlisle, Workington, Silloth, Dunbar, Edinburgh, and also Dumfries, Newton Stewart, Girvan, Dundee, Glenrothes, Montrose, Peterhead, Fraserburgh, Goldspy, Wick, Portree, Stornoway, Ballyvanich, Scarinish, Campbelltown, Northern Ireland, Bangor, Bala, Porthmadog, Barmouth, Aberystwyth, Lampeter, Brecon, Llanrefst, Pontrydd Fendigade, Dolgellau, Machinleth and Landovery.